Okay, Kwesi Abrantie, it's rather unfortunate say last week sa video we yentimi anhwe by Danyame as say ende yetimi ahwe video no. So kudos to Kwesi Abrantie why ade enwum title no de ensatia o sensatia nyina enye pe we are sensatia nyina enye pe no krenso enti shout outs to Kwesi Abrantie mesa mo akwa frequency no 93.1 Sompa FM. Jumadi any live or Sompa TV so afi streaming or Facebook Sompa 93.1 over YouTube and so Sompa TV Ghana bibia dem hodom. Me di Michael Donko betimi afreme Skulfees the Ghana's mamenchia manager Ofori amenchia manager Daniel wo munyina follow Jumadi no afi ko piem wo enkranza so a omu follow mamenchia Papa Toast ene apam afi omenita payinfo amu monitor show ni nyina no mechiamo mama badwafo akwaba brown bibia boko de
janwa nyame adom
bia jina ni na so
nyame adom
medase woche izu de guy sa cheni a guy
obetada
ayo de yepon ana
matua wi obetuaka
me ani ajisa me ani sa
okay
aiza mauze tia ya bia na aiza obezo kan sembi
unia na minimse
varas
o fa hit ni ba
varas mora ne de minim the way you use sparky hit no aiza oba no trot no ojina
hit ni pa
so
nya se beto
tia you have god there
nyame adumo unia
all right Nyame ase Ricardo Varas.
Oh, the school of fees.
Ricardo Varas. Oh, me that say Bibia kama cinema and so chiao.
Cinema. Imagine so. Oh, cinema. Baby obia me chiana na wi but ye do bibiase.
What does it
be anso?
E
o muntini yete ha. E mo da drink ni ha. Ye cho bibia. So by the basi ya. Baba serve
street.
Ani je na ani de ba. Say entertainment show. Entertainment ne bro.
Bro mo. But I say Ricardo Varas and out in Kano. Nane your video bi e wa ha. Video e dey see ehwe. Na ehwe ade a ye betimi asua free mu. Enti but before the video no me boy bi wa ma me ni ndi nkomansa Abrantie mo be kai mizo rap battle no won e di kan aha mo fa nto Abrantie ne so ma me Kwaku Berry at say amanfo minim say ye de to so sa na obi akai o
obi akai
o kai o 5G yi na o ye no sa ye biem ne enhwe ade ye biem
drink at the one to be a 5G. When I tell you true, me and my friend YP, it is Krumu and one year chinny me. One of them drink na Joe Wunkoji. Me the man of 5G, me no petition, baby, be friend the boy, a whole essay. I tell you the truth, Charlie, I know they lie. Where are they online? We know video off. Be sure so, Charlie, pass it off. That's who they do me a rough.
Mo. And Abrantie. Abrana Dr. Blessed Foster Trust here na mizo rap battle ya de bremono Abrantie in it me di kind na Sompa fato ye ho so say music career no ye be ya famudie bia na yetimi aboa no na sabria me no ka say or the single release bia ba e was say ye pa hontuma na your boy the cho Kwaku Berry say enwum no title no say forgive my accent no trem kakra un say akoye brofo bi wo ha won te ase
forgive my accent I say wonum kasa
okay
where say free wonum de ba no
okay
on say nipa bi wo ha asase yi so no onim say waye bi na chi atia ba wonye de ohunu ana say wo twasa ne ko
o twa konko
say bia the asema okay
one can ye
and I be a one be can see and it be happen in future
okay
indeed na me am story na me chere sa anyum no
wow story one
me nyuma me chere nyina me am
boy we Kwaku Berry ni and after so we no go do school na senate here
we could do school oh na bibia ye boko me ni bere am sa chere nyum ni bi am kan
okay and fans no so na send it here
fans no never
so
fans ne baba na ni go say o ma otrimi ode
emum and enwuma me beboy about ana our digital platforms and buy okay. Buy a drop here. I think see we are about digital platforms, right? Okay. And my uncle my accent no na yemra anyway produced Sompa recording studio. And forgive my accent by Kweku Berry. Yenko Timra this year. Yeah, now why you sing along? Am I why? All right.
Hey, Kweku Berry, yeah. Tell you sure another lie. Since they side me, I they cry. I know everything will be fine, so Baba they beg, don't do like that. It's too much to make sure me high. Who's them Sunny and Sabeka? I they say show me who da. Oh, Lua. 247, I they pay. Please, I they lost my way. Show me the mean. I know if you do it again. I they crying for your face, but things be the same. The same. The same. Forgive me my sins. Forgive me my sins. My body and oh, forgive me my sins. Forgive me my sins. Forgive me my sins. My body and oh, forgive me my sins. I don't know reason why you do me so, but I shall my cool memory demon so me call Brana Danny me or I dey struggle a lot on the road. I didn't hear me na my day I no figure nothing money no day my pocket when I open my wallet. You can't chop when the best share my hair body and your fat check and yeah no and yeah no and yeah. Forgive me my sins, forgive me my sins. My hair body and oh, forgive me my sins, forgive me my sins, forgive me my sins. My hair body and oh, forgive me my sins. I told them I'm a row. How many times now bad Jimmy so I they grinding for they don't know, but I know feed they get them. I made my mind to make one say I no see now. I say Santem Jammy make I they stand fam. I know if you stand for this pain again, they make me so crazy, they make me so crazy. I they crying, I they crying, I they crying. Forgive me my sins, forgive me my sins. My body and oh, forgive me my sins. Forgive me my sins, forgive me my sins. My body and oh, forgive me my sins. I don't know reason why you do me so, but I shall my cool memory demon so me call Brana Danny me or come. I just struggle a lot one day road. I then me na my I no figure nothing money no.
All right, so Kweku Berry near boy, me feel you vibes no. Why? Me feel you heat no. All right. And currently, is it a year ben I'll be school? I feel we are next year on. All right. Ye jaw mo akonia to ejuma die so. File number to ja ebia na obi pese oboa. Ebia no obi ye ni show bi so pese o invite o. Na feel the social media handles so aka why? Okay.
Watch my contact ni 0533.
There be enkwan sa e kono 433 ana 422. To fa code no now the account na account yenko
Me contact
contact no
okay 0533
okay 0533
00 22 11 say
sisubiem 0533 00 22 11 for social media handles ne count Onyan creative. All right. And check. Majidi said by the close of the day, and I say week, you know, was search Kweku Berry, our social media platform, baby, on Sa Ebekano. That be there to me, I could hear at the amount. Yeah, the news here, but trust me, sir, I branch you the next big thing. One home of the year,
forgive me my sins. My body and forgive me my sins. I told them I'm a row. How many times now bad Jimmy so I they grinding for they don't know.
All right, and quickly, mama share your video no na fe. Yembeka ho asem kakra. Aha, your video of the day no. Yenhwe video no mra sisia. Yenhwe video no emra sisia.
Yes. Sompa. Yes.
All right. And the video no I share and then no any. Ha video ni any. Na minim de usua afa video we ho ana senia usi hu video we. Mama ne Brown say Brown.
General
Video we.
Opani
Minim senia video no. Obeti ase afa enti mayenti wadwenkyere.
Opani meda wase. Ye ma Ghana fo nyina adwo. Asan achia Ghana fo nyina. Nemo ye chia wona wo hwe wo Western North.
Okay.
General adi we pa just sometimes you go so see audio out tiasi o ada near the gruma go ada
se onze ho na ise nsuo efa okowura bridge na se
ho na man baby say
okoye den wo
but we no rest in peace in advance
to the boy
and as dia wa ye dia ewu afa no okoko because hey me asem me ho cry da gira me o
hey
me dwen ehɔ ne yamna wɔn
ai so ma ye no ai kakra nsuo no begu ana ni nyina wura
ene se wawu
bridge na se wa hu ze no asori gina mu ana oprapra no ho
we di okofia
na mbese ye hwe se adesuade ben ena ye betime asua free side we mu because obi na video small boy ba ku gina nim ho a o sere pa
opan ni meda wase na saade we wo hwe wa ho se si a akoya te se TikTok ni sa ne ma social media ina dada yo
yeah
because then beba utim say saade we nkoye no bi video ade we ya eyowo na okwakowu
yeah
you might think say bia o ye we na bia obi follow your friend say TikTok and say social media
yeah
we benya likes ne comment bibre but bisa won say at the end of the day no
Nyina ye
then
tie Sompa.
okay
ubetinye pra ubetinye ewu nipa no ombe comment o social media ayi ni hu nyina no wu a ombe ba ho no be tro rest in peace na yesiu
yeah
it doesn't even make sense
okay
so obekwa akoye saade we na sabi wakwa preach na ne de wakwa to hospital sika so ni wiase
e say likes intini follows
intini wow so wahwe sa nyema we na ukọ friends TikToker niama ye nuama ni bi kra ye
no
ene ye nuama ma ni bi ye ho no all in the name so obi be comment obenya likes bebre
yeah
obi
because we say I say nipa na o video no on a tra brand and say on fire and na ye de link ayonko any trust ay nyama ye namfofo won say small boy ni fa nim
sure
ena minim de ye ya ono no fa this side won say boy no other side wa was sre now tie the way na boy ni si sre no a what me say small boy ni the whole video ni the planning sa de no
inti na mini said you okoto amnamro man kan che na
very good inti yen sign fa sound ni bi mi na mo understand it video ni start boy no watch you ne sidie no kra na
na say won say sabi
the way
I akosha amnamro
o si sre no
sure say wanyina che boy no
yeah
nti akra person che say sabi wadwenye then be ma wa akwa ewe na akwa keto e bi wanya be 7 years a video wu papa pan mu be oja be obeburu be 20 na wo hwehwe no mu video then obenya film social media ne sa anyama na dada ye this time but one you very careful so a ye ubewu kwa nti asi enya ye very careful na don't how we be see aye ne ma chairman
all right ti
Fees.
then I'll cover sa video
me boy ni me hu so challenge no.
okay
Because share baby I know okutia na. No clearly hu say where is slippery ground.
yeah
But still challenging no say okutia or for what reason we don't know.
yeah
But there's one thing that I say cause social media. Ultimu say obi wa ho kyerem na ohia mo ano.
yeah
Na people encrofo the cameras in so.
no move video abeto for likes okay
So
yeah
sometimes nyeni nyina na ye funny. Ibu o ha di prane asemkese bi pa ne nam. Ha. Enti we there I can totally blame guy no because who say Roberto
but still
oh yeah so we go ahead
Umpe likes.
challenge no
all right Ricardo Varas
Opani.
But you say video what baby.
Oh masha, my first day I'm here no car na me can't send me bread for home.
Okay, it's my inti answer nibi.
And me to me we say me America say we lesson to bia.
Okay.
So what I say?
Yeah.
Yenye ye ho kokoti bebre. E was ati so.
That's why ye hu kokoti obetimi afa ho.
Because wo share ho na we say the can we look at dialect mapoto bebre na ye ho no.
Yeah.
And ya dia e so tro papa. O ye list mistake ah.
The
guy was lucky na de nimu nwa.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was lucky na de nimu nwa do dina mu na o sorry ati mu so dina mu. Ke mu wa. Even ke kan san foforo.
Yeah.
Nti me fa we say a lesson.
Yeah.
There are certain things say untimi enye ni a men kona men konkoye. Na men hu kokuti bebre.
Okay.
Asasi su ba bia nim duru bi obi nim tra.
Yeah.
Tuna ma dule mu.
Okay.
There are certain things you don't do. Men how grow you won nkwanta wo.
Serious.
We tina ye no na chini coin na be see ho.
Enye sa kan ne kon ne go see wa.
Different case.
All right. Enti ma yenko yetie for ne ahwefo se bi omo so video we omo bibi kakra kan fa ho am 0551931931 0548931931 0551 931 0548 931 931 obetimi aba homa no so video a yede eto so no se na osi hu no ede na wosua afamu ana se de na wosua afri mu 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931 hello Beba Jo dini baby akaza free.
Oh, wait, I on me.
All right, my ATO minia.
Maybe the person says a video no Osha Aquano, the Okoto, we are not one hour to the panel. No, now, do that. Or more is the no Italy begin or the far. Because obviously, if you did Bono, anything is piano control and Minister for your will.
Maybe I know on your way.
On the social media, no, which we creative. I'm a one so more creative.
Yeah.
But we say no. Mean, said you would turn it's like one show up or now way.
Okay. Okay.
It means suspected and only funny video is a far, maybe I have money, I mean, video near Panya, you did walk on and there a panel.
You. May I say hello? Maybe I told you baby I'll free. Oh, 0551931931. Hello. Maybe I told you baby I'll free.
Me person me kasa free takwa.
Maybe I told now did the same.
Me person e friend me mispa.
Okay, but you yenti we mispa.
Na apomuti friend.
Yango point do mispa yeti o.
But my plan I'm going to buy a link happen.
Akwaku berry.
I can't do next year. I get a number. Never maybe come up.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'm more to make me up one.
Ate, Mate, Yami Shrow.
Now, yes, and so I'm say I want to know you on our panel.
Yeah.
So, thank you. No, who say I want to, but one can't.
Okay.
No more friend.
Yeah, no more Sereno.
Aha, and you need a hope. But one woman will need a hope. If you don't know what the woman needs a hope.
Okay.
And you look like that, the woman. Obi now who being just all careful.
Yeah.
You know, after boom cry about his yam.
Yeah.
So be slow, baby. Now, that's all you're careful.
Oh, you're careful. Okay. Yeah, that's a pa. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon, maybe I told you baby I'll free.
Yes, I'm not trained.
All right, Audrey, my NTA. Omojo mo chinje. All right. And yeah. You and yeah, yensu say yenye kokoti. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba Jordan baby akaza free.
Yeah.
Hello, me ba Jordan baby akaza free.
Sompa. Me kasa feda man.
Ba Jordan now did the same.
Me did Johannes.
Okay, Bacho my NTW.
Madam was another my family. Boy, no dear, a baby saw Nim one on Nim 20, some of the so fun. A so much almost say the dog of Fanu, royal true. But a man train into Abamusano.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. My emfa NCA, Yemfa Frephobia, and I enjoy Jumadi so. And I watching stories bebre and Abu Baba. Now, Branty Bia, Nidin Eddie. Last made, yeah, or drop a Friday night. And the mama me kewa any last made picture no na yenka ehwasem kakra. Kewa din sembia ba afa aha. And to uba Facebook and uba YouTuber ube hun picture make hwasemi. Kewa highly spiritual omo boss and I feel last made a brand here or drop a Friday night massive hit for Ghana ne Africa. We are self and baby abekubia nice a brand and you know ho na we free kewa so highly spiritual records no we free ho na ho na manfo abc bisa say oh neighbor ni saying fisa brand na or born ho modern and after so we need Hitmaker season 8 no then CNT awatimi free kewa so ni nsem bebre na ho na kewa din nsem about say I wanted last mid to stay with highly spiritual, but he was influenced to leave. Ochemwa was say abrantie no abera wo mo boa no ye nkakra ne hit no eba ye Friday night no na wabehunu amanfo wo industry ni mu enti na ebi mo ahyase etutu nsem eguna sum ebi mo keka de omo pekire no kewase woni abrantie tina se din komo wom say MTN for na do bre me all time no aso but me pese me sign on the highly spiritual na yekoyenim na che say a verbal agreement no ne abrante ne ekoye a che say wo mo aye nnwuma ye videos a che say nko mo be release na edru so mbe sign contract na nkasa no so free abrante na abrante ntu o twen ne papa o UK ne papa be ba ne papa be ba china ne papa ba yen so ne papa si won twen na ne lawyers fo bi ba ne ade kewa so ha de hu ya nse wonya call ni free Nigeria adan ya lawyer for bi wo Nigeria o mu kiremu a abrante last minute say contract na ne nje hunti ontimi stay under highly spiritual being oko enti kiremu kakra kewa edemaye enie na de enti ade story we buy ni say emrante bebri buy show isu bi so mo han na boa wo so mia ye nya boafo na epese ye hu say eniema say intina na nse ya penkamen fo no munya aboafo no ananse sen go bi beboa wa do stage bi a wono so be repeat kakra no na afi wo so be dane afri ho de obi adwuma wa ye no de no wo de kwa komo bi foforo enti ene ye be hwe ne ho asem de ya de to aso no hajia for real emso de nsem bi by se enche ye be hunu wa Ghana nanso abroko pie mu wa court no US court a deny bill enti hajia for real sabra me no kasei mo ana mo twen se mbe hunu wa Ghana no o ka se na wotwen ya na bosumi we na wie ya July end no ye betimi ahunu no wa Ghana anyeye enti mo amohwe ni mu se mbe hu hajia for real the queen one da fidie no so no ne ho afa yie ha wanti che se enyezi special woman sabri ne ho akoka dwamu ewo United States abrochima mu na enyezi nti yemfa mpa bontai hajia for real echi na Stone Boy ena yebisa ne se abrante ya twen woni shata collabo yi ache na daben ena sa collaboration we eba ena Stone Boy de tu bia se oni shata de omo ye very cool na ya na omo eta omo chini na enim ha shata ena SM fans no ana se Beam Nation fans no womo enche da nim se womo leaders no muntam ego womo hwe ni mu se enche ebia won be drop collabo bi na and some of the buy no say collabo between me and Shatta is possible but we will fight for 1 hour first Stone Boy somehow kind no say obi anim so ne Shatta de omuhia ya na ensempi na collaboration among for train definitely ebeba among for enya botre ebeba but then tokwana wo mbeko kakransa and so definitely ebetumi aba me ba cho o boy sikisi nyankopon yi a kire ni se nyame adoma 2024 ɛna obewuo ɛno nti wahya ase akyɛ sɛ wo totototo na yie ɛho nneɛma na deɛ nti ɔde story we by ne so ɔse asɔfo yi obi wu ya na asɔfo so nyame yi kyerɛ me na me bompa na nyame frɛ me kɔgyina mountain Madagascar na ɔkyerɛ me so to ani na hwɛ ɔbɔ siki na ɛba no ma true date bi wɔ na pampam na so ɔno ɔmpɛ bibi asa ɔno ɔbɔmpa ɛsrɛ nyankopɔn sɛ brɛ bɛso ama na wu anyame yi nkyerɛ no enti nyankopɔn yi akyerɛ ne sɛ afia yebewura mi 2024 no I will say God has finally approved 2024 in my dreams as the year I will die ɔbɔ siki ɛho nsɛm enie asɛm na emema monum aduro mama me one love the kubolo on the picture no mema monum aduro sɛbe ɛde ma sene be am betimi akɔ long journey no one love the kubolo say our secret be ɛde mamo or say ɛya nanti barefooted on say ono on shempaboa time bia ono on barefooted or say ne santi ono no ne first round kra no first one no the ode prapra kwan mu no kra no eno ye 1 hour ono no ode prapra kwan mu and so obeye adwuma no due to say otai nanti barefooted inti no nti ene yanya hu sa security Monday morning ye ba adwuma boss ye nyina ye nan dida fam a free manager so bepim the otwa to okra ye nyina ye nan dida fam ni eba because endro no wonu ma wie na asabe ma problem now do 9 to barefooted 119 betimi abo say de ne ye twen de yen ne mo amoto mpaboa yes mo ntwen ye come na bed mo. All right, the final one ene a center of attraction center boats baby aye gina pa Ghanaian drill no Ghanaian drill music no claiming its rightful origin controversy bebre ene ye won chechemu hene Michael Asariboadu ewo ha ene obeboa yen Ghanaian drill no say Grammys no asaka omso ma ye crowd say won bekwa kwaje Grammys e dey break Ghana the Ghanaian drill no na Nigeria for so twomuti say hey munya abotrewa na high life amomo de ba ekra na yen abaji ye ni ye and say drill no abanso a honsem ewo ha ye de ni nyina be mamo e wo show no so ma memra fie na me say mama badwafo akwaba na emobo nsemi ho ewo ha ene de mamene ti shase ti mama say mo akwaba biem stories bebre na ye de ato ho no enti my mouse ma be yenum na yentio
Fisi ye chia TFO nyina.
All right.
The first story I'm pesa meka. Me baby girl.
Why no?
For real.
Oh, Hajia.
Nancy enche bebre. And I say you are extradited from UK.
Yeah.
Edinako US. UK the only cousins to US into your pel.
Yeah.
Oh US now could PM UK likely say a better old work or no.
Yeah. I think that Nikkei's nation say oh UK. The UK for New Year and US for so yes you will be tomorrow we are monfan my
and almost or swindle and Crawford.
Yeah, in Crawford.
Say or no more dating. Now victims nearby you when buy. They were 6. Yeah. You didn't call 6 and you move 4 say and your banner no money in daily.
Okay.
Beman no money in daily.
Okay.
2 noon swa or Macassa no money or bad dealing. Back up in a castle on a haja for real and a daily.
Okay.
Now, case in amount I know $2 million.
Gosh.
And yes, mom.
And yes, Kakuma.
Now, a man fans Ghana for ye divided.
Yeah.
They be supported say, yeah, young China so. It be so crowd, it be too the mimi say that me do worry hopa.
So there or your baby.
Or it was a tourist attraction.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, they know to my behad. Now, unim ne lawyer Adams Cortez. As more be catcher or bar out be catcher president. They say, likely say be mahajia bill. Now I'm in church as a ketu be more.
Okay.
So court over USA.
Yeah.
Depending on the state now for you. Court be mostly they are surrounded by bail bond companies.
Okay.
Billboard companies and what they do, they say, "Be you do work court amount a per se the bail or the amount bail, be a bail $200,000."
Okay.
one kasa unya $200,000. So you walk to the billboard companies, and then they negotiate with you. Mostly 12%.
Okay.
You have to pay 12% of bill now. Amount in they actually say bill no.
Okay.
You have to pay 12%, and the billboard companies will pay the rest. Now, when they pay the rest, what they do is say on the mount spice.
Okay.
They will look for people like on the track your movement, on the DDWC, go Jania as in
Okay.
And when it was announced, say, yet it is say, yeah, Bema Hajia for real, $500,000 bill.
Yeah.
People were asking, say, that amount is too big.
Okay.
But truth of the matter, and they say in the US, yeah, Bema bill. If you walk to these billboard companies,
yeah,
on the more 12% pay.
No more to the account.
Now, more to the account. Then they find a way to track you.
Okay.
Sometimes, Krano, or the tracker ball now.
Okay.
Tracker near charge.
Okay.
Say a wua, or moon to me who be a woo. Into our ball nine.
Okay.
Say a be wua. What you are supposed to do is say no charge it.
Okay.
To charge ya anytime they can have access to you.
Okay.
Now, oba social media be a live video be. And people were asking, say, are they in the case na kwa kosi say ye jana na?
What to me a live video?
To me a live video.
Yeah.
Now, truth of the matter, they say, haji a case no. Enye hu to say the encrofo ehu no.
Sawon.
Enye to say
hash papi.
Nigeria hash papi. Mu case no.
Okay.
Enye hu sa. Inti Ghana for no support haji no. Ye ya ben victory na side.
Okay.
Yeah, ben hono. Munda su supporting and I'm on pay man. Because Haja case, likely say if be Johnny and Jano cry.
Yeah.
Like I said the other time. Yeah, be man be to say you know the court terms say if you have people they were involved in this activity with you, obitima bubo mudi.
Okay.
Obitima te o term no. Eswama.
Okay.
Inti bubo mudi, ububo di na. Say the whole be about 10 years.
Yeah, so.
Yes, we can give you just a year.
Okay.
US jail so dear. And to say
Ghana the in Sawam the.
And one thing that people should know. Jail is different from prison.
Okay. Jail different from prison. Now, yeah, I say it is unfortunate that ye be na quite say yeah, they also prison, yeah.
Mostly when we take you to jail, people that look around you are now more like more officers,
yeah.
They are correction officers.
Okay.
In himself, you are a bit of a social deviant.
Okay.
And see, they will call.
Yes.
Yeah, they will call correct it. Usubain bakumi nubi.
Okay.
Yeah, they over outer. No, be a very good person.
Okay.
If you were like or sentence and maybe a course in New York, sometimes what they do is they take you to a different state, like Texas.
Okay.
Who now with jail term.
Okay.
Because ubit my community service.
Okay.
Ubit my out say bia ye be cast o ba be prapra.
Okay.
Meet in New Yorker. Me for say imagine Bronx and now Queens baby
as a man for him over ferry. Okay.
They would rather take you to a different state.
Okay.
And one other thing, so they say they want to take you to a different state. Reason no, so they say, "Ukase wu jania, unse de nimha."
Yes. Okay.
Inti unse de hu baby abefa. Aha. Inti haja de no enye prison asem na etwen no. Say worst case scenario.
Yeah.
A jail.
Okay.
That one is not too serious. US or jail be or ha. You don't qua. You don't go check a aeroplane ni ma. And I say car crown na obi so team. Who outside.
Okay.
Obi say yeah do rubber baby.
Yeah.
Time I watch them round who say who she prison no. Obi for means be also be escape. Obi drew outside no na yin so nkwa.
Yeah. Na say baby ya do ko na ya ma hu.
Ya ma hu baby ya do ko. Nso nkwa no so yin fa na offer.
Yes, waka ho.
US betima wo jail wo Mount Island.
Yeah.
Ya do share plane mu na koi. Wa hu baby cry do koi.
Yes.
And obian so obe so now belonging to a cartel. Obian so be try say ombe ba be you no. They won't have traces of you.
Okay.
Enti haji ade no enye hu sa. People should calm down. Ono akwa onim se
nyehu sa.
Adams Cortez am yehu se ensa nyehu sa.
Okay.
We could have victory out of this case.
Okay.
The next thing that I want to talk about Lashmid Asem.
Okay.
Kewa say one of the best managers, best producers that Ghana yewa.
Yeah.
Highly spiritual CEO. Memi wa artists bi na 3 managers bana Kewa kan ho a enya me den sam den meko Kewa ho.
Yeah.
Nancy Lashmid VGME or any new artist of the year. Nenyum so ball Friday night. It was a major banger.
Yeah.
Me say na me pesa anyum ne pa. Now one thing me who say ebema Lashmid I na Kewa Sompa. Any the number of signees Kewa.
Okay.
Because Nancy Kewa na say or the 4 additional signees will become a label no.
Yeah.
So your artists are you want your management to have a full concentration on you.
Yeah.
And not a build a brand name tentem. Ammonia grounds beer.
Yeah.
And check no drew international peak. And check no your collaborations are open.
Yeah.
And check not all multiple in terms of Usika and Inkrofua who no fans.
Okay.
And to me, the way I mean say Kewate, the way I mean say a basse ye per manager be for artists be Kewa one of the very good managers at Ghana ye work.
Yeah.
One thing let me say about Kewa and say people don't know say or a bit of a soft more than or secular music.
Currently crowd the oil is produce secular music Sam Snee and on the studio. Yeah.
Artists almost share under Kewa and good attitude.
Yeah.
We have some managers at home. Omuntimi branded artists, no, their lifestyle.
Yeah.
Be a artist in the publicly.
Yeah.
But
highly spiritual and the boys need different.
They are different.
Yeah.
More attitude. They are very different. Look at sounds no more producing.
Yeah, it's true.
Say a you need explicit words be because say we are under management of Kewa.
Yeah.
And are highly spiritual. And to me, I see said the only reason why Lashmid would think of leaving highly spiritual is because the number of artists are signing into that label no does. And he feels to say that sort of concentration and that sort of attention now we hear from the management.
And how a person will move.
Yes, how a person will go ahead from management.
Okay.
It will be better. Say or didn't imagine baby for. Yeah, we say Lashmid well. I mean, he's one of the upcoming artists. Ubenya banger like Friday night. Yeah, no kwan wabo.
Yeah,
Sika remix no. You could clearly see say or so when another management team are strong to say highly spiritual team now.
Yeah.
It has a long way to go.
Okay.
The next story that I want to talk about, I know quite One Love Kobolo.
Yeah.
One Love Kobolo.
What interest was outside or one?
Me were interest pa. Me a be my idea.
Aye.
Me were interest pa. Interest me wo hono. One Love there.
Yeah.
I don't want to side with him say.
Oh
no, me the back can't say me. I don't want to side with him say the reason in tia or in an NCC form.
Okay.
And it say or pay good erectile function.
Okay.
See a 9cc form for a good erection, no?
Yeah.
And lasted for 24 hours.
Okay.
Scientifically. So per se unya good blood circulation.
Yeah.
Unya good sleeper. Medical doctors grab recommend they say.
Yeah.
You wait me edo 9cc form.
Okay.
Like abia grounds bia ubenya bibi awo and gravels be.
Okay.
So
yeah.
But they are not saying say it should last for 24 hours.
Okay.
15 minutes, 30 minutes is okay.
Hey.
It's okay. Yeah, 15 minutes and 30 minutes is okay.
Normal.
Some university, Stanford University, they conducted a research about the BI used to drug for erectile dysfunction.
Okay.
Now, this time they wanted a natural means. Yeah. Now, research they tried 9,000 men. 9,000 men no more trial mono. You can also be uncle barefoot because we wanted them to come back and tell us say, yeah, we say ebiana ye mboadwuma yi e won paso.
Yeah.
Ye try saa mo yi na mo dia ba no. and no like you who say boy your friend no ground and na earthing.
Okay.
You try more earthing na ground and na mo tray. You who say boy.
Yeah.
And the 9,000 men, about 80% of them came back to tell them say it truly works.
Okay.
It truly works.
Okay.
Nipa se wuni mo body well.
Yeah.
Ubon se nyɛ nneɛma bia na yɛfa aduro.
Okay.
Ɛnyɛ bibia na yɛsɔre ane akɔ akɔto aduro ne anom.
Okay.
Ɛtɔ da bia naturally. Ɛwɔ sɛ well style a wobɛ manage wo body no.
Okay.
Body na system.
Yeah.
Ehia management. Nti sɛ wo tena se na wo hunu sɛ ma ha sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ya this is the cause. Ante headache. Ɛnyɛ yare. Headache. Say everything that starts getting wrong in your body no. Your brain catch.
Yeah.
Time our brain catch is when you're having the headache.
Headache. Okay.
So
yeah.
Into local hospital be Arabia mostly you treat headache room.
Yeah.
Because also your brain no can be betrayed. Say bibi nkoso ye wo body. Into one love. Wo de nice see for nema one love aye ukruma ne ka se ka enye kra. Tim original program so pejana tade ne sa ne ma no.
Free show ni ade ade.
It's so pet. So we are stronger. Yes, and yet 24 hours now. NCC for one love.
Okay.
15 minutes, 30 minutes will do.
Okay.
And yet Saturday now we any be
the piano.
One love into a hold them in inside it. The last thing I want to talk about. Yeah, papa or boy siki.
Oh, yeah, papa.
Yeah, papa or boy siki. Boy siki interviews and say it's here.
Aye. Hey, who?
I feel I who about who dada.
Okay.
Na me boy siki obia. I know him personally.
Yeah.
Me ne my very fine pa.
Okay.
And when I listen to him in interviews, na me hear the man. The man is I don't know whether he's tricking us or whether I should take him too serious.
Okay.
The man behave just right. Yes.
Wow.
The man
see that means any or tricky you. I
don't know when I make us I don't know say personally will be or her to me behave some way.
Yeah.
But na say for so a behave differently.
Yeah. Yeah.
Obu also a bit me the sign behavior na man say
for yeah.
But when I look at the interviews and in some or can different from how I see his family behaving.
Okay.
And so be predicted time of be me say minim say we are say there ba ko pa obi asro wo some ya met na ma ka say 2024 Nyankopon be frame me dear ebi ono atanas wa access ni mpom na wo hu say bibi sa bit me asi but we don't wish that for boy siki and him said this should be one of the interviews ebi person sensational.
Okay.
But so would yeah and him said we don't wish that for him.
All right.
I'll talk about the last story in
okay. All right. Ricardo Barras. Barras boko there.
Oh, nyamya dum bibia fine.
Barras my inti stories in the go no.
A boy siki 7 dey men can be.
Sawon. O papa boy siki.
Oh, men can be because if you ask there obi ekoda obi ani na chi.
Emum.
Ono ne nim da ya Nyankopon aso no.
Esom.
Onim komo ne Nyankopon adi. Eno ho se mre sei.
Yeah.
We nyu obi na eko no ana eka.
Ono ana eka.
To ho.
Yeah.
Ntina 7 dey mentimi nkom bebre but no kwa 7 say last bit in sense 7 no.
Yes.
Means me o ha me hu ni say ya me hwe ni say ya na maka say public sympathy ni bia kewa ope.
Okay.
Ghana ye pesa de too much. Obi ba ho no ya ade a get the person contracted no nya adwuma mfama. You don't wait till the person wonya hit away. I feel be a
na open so sign no. All right.
When I was reading
but
when I was reading the right tabs no. He was saying say no mso on sign.
Yeah.
On sign for nya hit song new
no or the trainer ho.
Because when he came no.
Yeah.
Mama now who say oh important.
And once na already signed artist no more no cram per se no be joining.
That's how no matter from how.
All right.
School maba. Ebia osi MTN for the man hit maker na
40,000 yeah.
For songs, 2 songs and videos.
2 videos yeah.
Ghana sa.
Yeah.
Into oba no onye nipa o ye adwuma ma wo.
Debi.
MTN for the share won sa.
Yeah.
And on ye adwuma.
Ba
wo mo anka so mo ye adwuma ma wo. Ti sika ne san ye no.
We
you so be invest more woni more than mo wa san ne omo no. MTN sika ne san ye no. We be invest more or last minute more than the Oma was high on.
I don't think so. Yeah.
So maybe at that time he felt say, I said he's not needed.
Yes.
But you want to see
yeah, because now colleagues ne crying here or label so yeah.
He feels so talented.
Yeah.
One who's so talented. So him say obetime do that level. Obi anim de beti dachi.
Yeah.
But maybe no man who's air course no. Ya ko mo ma san man for a. O man nyam fa so bia so. But him see e gamble now take e risk now take as a businessman who take risk. A farmer a boom oko anfa oko. And maybe this was the time when I so take that risk, you know.
Yeah.
E bia last minute good. My men sign no. En fan to. Bia betime asi dachi. One yes.
One take risk no.
Yes. This one kasa ni Friday night no can hit it.
Yes.
I'm an auntie say I'm a wiasian tia brand and give you one so sign. That's how we are sit here.
Yeah.
So my baba be na one you man too mad at the start.
Yeah.
Na me nyini ko.
To say on form ka say media yenye as is on special out.
So hu. Obi ani bibi o ye na de. So one you man ni abra me start na.
Now be chance me metia
no me kona da bi
da.
Sa yanko fa no kra de enye papa. Enu ti na ye hu se wi asama for this guys wo mo ho. What's me per your love. E bia muska modi. Ba obi o ma kwan bia bia o ye bi tem ti ma men this guy se me hunye se me ni bi. Ma ko pe ye de panya sa na man for ye. Until last minute buy man hu se gawe ya de man contract was signing.
Yes.
Benefit omo ma sign omo na air benefit no.
Also be benefit bi.
A man from person obi but you sit them down in maybe a round table discussion one can say he's part of us.
Yeah.
You nyant for ni nya adwuma ni mom.
Yeah.
Na enyini. So one man na hu sa, one man na feel loved da. Ho hate no be ko.
That means ye the link is obi fa artist no one do stage be an artist ne kono wrong.
Wrong.
Okay.
Because obiara na dwen da ni tirim.
Okay.
Obiara na dia wo ye.
Okay. That means K1 na look sharp wa.
Yes.
Okay.
Bia na make say bia boy no ko en one feel say ye pen wo ho. Na wo kra de to say na wo wo kra na ekun tokwa. Sa na tie ba bia ye upcoming.
Yeah.
Wa ko obi na ase wa foul. De say wo ye ma obi a wo ya ma. You don't need to leave.
Okay.
Because nipa boa wa show appreciation kakra.
Yeah.
On say me more into sport. Baby anamaka Ronaldo. Obi no man bega no. Obi asika no. Could be one of the biggest restaurant man will go.
Yeah.
Obi boawa, man who say yes, I don't know your man.
When you saw it.
In so cap macra,
yeah.
So what you intimidate winning there. Sana mekano.
Okay.
But sao story 6 no.
Yes.
You didn't come on. There are certain things I Ghana for me and Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana, you're a version of music you will be.
Say your hip life and your high life.
Your high life.
And your hip life.
High life.
Yeah.
Ghana for there.
Ghana for there.
Or more mobile na be different songs. And different versions
of the high life.
One siana ye ampadumo dia on.
Eh.
To on. Me ampadumo dia.
Ampadumo dia.
That no be a boga high life.
Yeah.
Me boa.
Yeah.
Ready raston bo be here
hip life.
Aye, Sony achiba bo be here Sony ma ba.
Sony. Need any India life.
Sa ko de mo be here Ye ni bi.
Okay.
Ye ni bi.
Na say ye ni bi.
Ye ni ya he. Mo de won kire me.
Na jeje mu hini brama e.
Music is universal and dynamic.
Yeah.
Now in a year, say enyum to no, your genre. Now under the genre umbrella no, your sub genre.
Yeah.
So you to me boom. Yeah.
Sompa
your Lovers Rock.
Yeah.
A part of reggae.
Yeah.
Yeah, near the no. High life no.
Yeah.
Under the umbrella, your palm wine music. And then I just call him no.
Palm wine music.
Yeah.
Okay.
Near benya a variation of Boga high life because omo a niche market and omo person omo appeal to them.
Okay.
And then bemenya sa bembra common way mono. So na sa time no mo tire nyum no Europe.
Yeah.
Germany be Netherlands.
Yeah.
Now sa market they need to appeal to them. And today no mo be create a certain genre. Our mobile song precope because now it's difficult to check here. There were songs that Tetifoni BA.
Yeah.
But I'm a remake.
Yes.
I'm de be fast so kakra. Send be I'm be
modernized kakra.
And typical of the nanam pedunyum na na obo mother.
Yeah, mother.
Yeah, cause do be or ne traditional way no wo. I know what there was specking ne kakra wa page. So and there.
Yeah.
You see, and Kenya Bonesi a benya sub general.
Yeah.
But me as meaning baby or call them.
All right, Vance. Yeah.
In the area, no. You will buy no.
Yes.
By your penny for no size annual. Some cranny boy, mom, some cranny munians annual.
Yes. And one no free.
Almost in Koran more and Sanyo. Rado so Ubo about the two bear. Yes, about the
Samara Misa Sumo.
Ubo boy, one tiny paco now. Yeah, and I send Canamunya Sanyo say.
Samara Misa Sumo.
Then Penifonia no Munya Bino. Yeah, because Penifon the normal year, and Clan Coyent as a commercial Mabomo. Yeah, maybe Mokusa Kuswam say be a rainy way now, 1 year into Win or more kind of straightforward.
Okay.
Yes, I'm Colano so feel offended.
Yeah.
And into a quite a quack dear. Yeah. So what I say. Yeah. But when the aqua fast science is doing nobody say Ghana for saying you yet, yeah. Nigeria for say yet, yeah. Yeah. Drill Nankasa from Chicago. Most for the rightful one, I mean, Tiasia. Hey,
Ghanaian drill.
Hey, from Chicago, I'm not quoting my panic at Casa Modiana Mofa. Jenna claims why a rightful one, I mean, Tiasia.
Because there's a board to the Ebe Rumpa.
What the ever called to me, but Drill Nankasa from Chicago.
Call about
from Chicago to Yet and Nobakas Odia. Okay. By a Casa young father, Nian, this will be a no to Nigeria for. Oh, Varas. Obiano at home. In the open such as a Grammys, Ghanaian drone almost have a job. On Bafana in ye, they have the money, they have the people who make my boy push that agenda. I'm a piano. Yeah, South Africa for the yeah. Now my piano no bar or mo beat no kwa. So I call my cousin my piano no. Or mo Zulu as a there cousin. Just a pianos. So what I say? Okay. No I be fa. No mo to no mo be into so. Or mo bono mu dia.
Beat no kwa no.
O ma be fa. I shaping the you to so na there. As I come my piano. Nancy mo bi. Yeah. Afrobeat be fa be wi as obi e pa afrobeat. Yes. No I be fa you no mo say they have the money and everything. And no more support no.
Yeah, problem, pal.
Nigeria for natural age over Ghanaian.
Yeah. Population-wise.
Population. Yes. So what I say, the number of artists be emerging from Nigeria, the number of producers will be access to know. And this will be a PF Ghana. It me sometimes the talent will be there, but the support is not there.
Okay.
So Kroma na bia wo person onye nyoma mi si ja anyo ne no. O say ne papa say onko school no do onye nyoma no. I was one of the interview no kan.
O so onko school no onye nyoma
no. School dey o so onko. Ne papa say onko school no mo na nyom no. The video no
onko school no dia.
Bo onko school na bia be 1 week ah. O ma na nyom no.
Wow.
Enti no onko school no ya nyom no. Ba Kroma mbeka say ja nyom ne ye. Yes am ho school no kra. Ba we ne papa atena say o ma no condition.
Ye be da ja award.
And na didi mu didi mu eventually odidi mu akonya ne degree na to ba bi now. Odidi nyom ne ho. The father feel proud.
Yeah.
But he beka say jaye.
Janyum na ko school.
Oh, janyum na ko school.
We school so unya
juma. No so no so ye boachi bi ni na so asem fro. So by Nigeria from so wade mu a. Ye okrom ha. Okoye ye magazine ha. Okoye market ha. Ye ma me fo ne papa ne nkrofo ne ko Nigeria fo ne ko. Pa. Go they believe say me ba. I dey we 50 pesos. Ghana need 70 pesos but me budget 45 pesos.
Mfaso ni kakra.
Yes. Because say quantum a.
Mfaso ni bantem.
Kubo ni mfaso ba Ghana need about 70 pesos so no 20. They be no mo ko. They have the strategy. Yes. They have the skill. They have the people to push them. So one be so no mo say you dey a chairman on the fa.
And the great yen share ni say next year Grammys.
On be fa.
All right.
On the for Haja for radio. Nin 7 no time I road.
Haja for real.
But mema de e bia utia futu we be boa.
Sa won.
We be ma futu.
O ta 90
we be bia na ya duru sem.
Okay.
Ba no duru bia na san kuma side effect.
Yes.
Nje no ya asem fro. But say bia say now ka say Monday no. Monday na hwe adwuma me say me ba. E bia sem ko seek permission from boss wo.
Yes. Azamato.
Because me hey first one na.
First one the only prepare kwam keke no.
One na. Say no 5 hours.
Me nada.
Some of them nice from. Some start because I dey be boa.
Where the boys will be anya wado. Munya drone no mo na.
Ja drone no.
What is natural remedy.
Ka dey tom paboa kese akese na fa.
Jai, no bo ba so mo tom paboa no so e.
Da bi say bia ba bi wa kwa bi form.
Okay. Yes.
Baby a nam fie bia, paboa bia we nam fie no jai. Na this kind of bia wa fie ba open no didi. Now do na bro form. No up a long journey.
Tell no wife besides I don't now 90 from also they train now be.
Because yen nyan me no moti say no.
Yes.
Wo sika na hwe no bebre a.
Yes.
Na untimi nyadwuma na boy.
Yes.
Utimi nyadwuma na hwe na boy.
Yes.
Enti aso utimi balance
no me da.
Ne abo no matimi koyie po enti no. Ene nsema meka Shatawale ni Stoneball mache.
Omo fa collabo ni mra.
Sometimes beef bi wo ha.
Yes.
Ye de hiti aduru ba bi.
Yes. Yeah, jatum.
Enyo no collaboration I see on.
Yeah, their pesca.
ma kontokwa saa duru bab na mo de atoso
yes
na ma fa ko
mo man fa so mbam
ko nyen ko he mo man fa so maso da bia mo ko
konse kwa kesi yes smart
yes
oni shatan sensem nyina oni no de alo bae amo majo hu scary
through that peak that level na
no drop here
straight up mo cash out
yes
acha too much am
all right Meda Severus mame ko Brown ho na fe ye mewie wo asarebuedo ho Brown
Jana, open medawasi.
All right.
Varas no.
Ricardo Varas.
I say, unse sema ye kama menko kewa di no kakra.
Yeah.
Unse me respect kewa pa, but e kwan of fa so o treat ke song a oje nenyum e koma your friend say creamy and Mr. Drew no.
Okay.
Say we na ye kama pa.
Yenina ye
tie kama pa kese. Yes.
Kan wasem na ye tie ni ye.
Hwe. Kroma ye believe talent o. Yen believe talent. So the moment you be so be cra talent bi na anka kakra bi e be make sure say nipa no betumi aye akwa kodru baby no. Also nipa ni mo.
Debi.
Nipa ne so otwe ne ho a o se me na.
After say nipa na hit no.
O se me na me de ne start ye.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
But o de ma start in the beginning na relationship between me and me net saying. En komo be na na oni mi di abra na me meji din. What you say? Tama na me meji din de onyi sheda hu me so mfa so bia sa wo.
Yeah.
But me ko manim ne de e how say me ye de me ko. Onum say baba Sadiq so be ka asem say bia na deal no. En sheda anye good. Nti na akra ne ye den. E dwane
no. Okay.
And obia no wa bia waji din ya kwa kodru no. Wo be ma ni deal bia ye normal deal be dwane. Because yet here say Mr. Boadu be man deal e won anima na me brand me dey ba enye papa obedwane
because the medical dey hu ye family ni OGB records
what here so Ogidi brand
I think say o free hustle so no ko nani more yeah
nti anka be ya anka the moment na bo sa akra ni kra talent bi no e ho no
they also we bia no
atoso
okay
se ne be ya wontumi nwane nko ba bia but em say ara no mo adwen say say dipa kura am dey na start on ko duru ba bia nti me mbo ne ho ka
yeah
ba se si aso a wo pese obo ne ho ka na nka wadidi ne ho no ti mesre
yeah
your managers for ne producers for ne ho afo munya kola bi na so ye good a beginning no tentem no na waso ne mu ye ma me ko me ofa ho obo asiki me am ofa
enye easy o
yeah me ma follow boy siki ache aten say o start movie no na me pena sempa ba o start ko interview ne dia me to me pena semba ko say
nsema o kanti
yes
okay
me pena sem kwa these are the same papa o to me ka so no de obewu no obewu ada oba so papa we nyon no ka
o se da obewu no obewu ada oba so
no obewu ada
it says was so ndi ne yire aduane for the past 15 years na we do oba be no obewu ada no
so but for sa papa panimu we etumi ka se de obewu no obewu ada ne yire so de
oba so
chairman o de yen ka no kore
asemo se bia no so nyame ayi a kire no
page na da so your friends at TV station me pe na sem
okay
ba the movie dia me pe the movie
okay
what you say Mr. no unim da wo de bewu
o se nyame ayi a kire 2024
o yi kire ne tamben ase ya ma ya ni ko ne ho na ko du 2024 anko no ma duru amewu yes obetumi aye oye nipa dasani
se na be ya de ono aka no abebam
se na be ya de ono aka no ye de ebebam 2024 se ya check na go so phone check no
serious
yeah no grow
okay
I saw mo check no because papa obetumi aye
okay
obetumi anu ma duru aku no ho aka se o me akra me ka se 2024 me dey mewu nti me ko wo so owu akiro bia wo nim se wawu ana onwi na busu afon started this time no mo ye dey
omo mani ko no
okay ba me no owu a ebe ha me ni wo dia obi anwo hye ne se owu ba ono ankasa fi so obewu dia
yeah
sa wo no kan yakopon frɛ no
yakopon kyerɛ
o basically kwasa mo kan we the fans we fans no odege
ono fans dada
o fans bo pebiem ne se ni bi ho a seriously speaking
odege fans
it doesn't make sense enyansa nim sabi oya me papa but asem na o kan no na me kan
doesn't make sense
it doesn't make sense
okay
what you say
say bia na no kro bia Varas onu no nim bia na wa ye
me awesa Sompa
hey
wow
Varas no obo shows o region to region town to town serious
yes papa no you penasem Me pronounce ba ne sam no.
Basaka say I like 16-year-olds.
What otiase o?
I say young for no.
I defilement. Otiase. It who you so? Otiase.
Ti.
Me always am kan komo e dia ko habi.
Asem.
O dia de send me anam sim nam ni ko basic beba.
Ogazo beba.
But assembly kind, you see, they all can hear funny transfer. But there is a bigger meaning.
Yeah.
I was on train my software being mentioned and come. Or three addresses to say
yes.
Prophecies, no. There were too many fake prophecies about people dying.
Yes.
And it's also Kebia. Only seven. I'm almost just uncle. No, no more. Because one was Nyamia catcher. So for the back catcher, so Nyamia Yacher. So he's trying to expose and answer obey you need to a certain way a trend. It looks like you be year. In the around 2024. No. So our key address is to say December 31st. Near sorry. So for be castle or shall come on who that.
Yes.
So don't just trust the word of the man of God and not the perceived man of God.
Yeah.
Because sa nyoma uye nipa.
Yeah.
Also ote unya tenkabu omu say there is a divinity within you or no wooden komo.
Yeah.
And na soon be timu and wooden komo. Your time you are koya there. Never say pray say David we there. Na so why do na your tanta so menya na mamenye. So there is also something within you. If you listen to your inner voice, perhaps it is the voice of God.
Yes.
Or try against you, sir. But say Obewu 2024 let me find the literal way to say son of person.
All right.
Almost kiasi bo sofu bia ni kromo betumi appreciate akacho basic so be work asa sofu ndo bedwane afi kromo. Yenim ko basic ni
o wa contract no.
Sofu bia ni kromo ha obetumi akaso basic be wu na no be wu ochina. Sofu bia ni kromo ha ohun kura onka. Nti yemma ya ni ko basic no akọ no maduro akoku no ho obetumi aye. Because some company there, I anameboa. Some can be their master. What do you call him? Your friend said, I can't write a Google for me.
Kubalo.
One love.
Yeah.
The Kubalos. Hey, Nini about us with the waffle.
Sister Debbie. Oil crash one. Hey, Sister Debbie.
But one love the Kubalo, Sebi. I say I shall not Jim Kakra.
Oh, yeah. Or a saint pow. Najimuda hoye pa.
No.
Sawon.
I am a munye. Okota for Ebeka to say emunye. Hey, Sompa. That's how I wear your madam Tiayo.
Oh, oh, Brad, baby, I would be a DH.
Oh, yeah, I said Tia, the
oh, so madam, memory, and as a Tia and Guardia.
Mamma, best idea. We mean him say Nipadi. Oh, sorry, now do not Titia, no Timuka crab. Boa, Bosia, yeah, Pabia, send a bear blood in the bit yarding. But not purposely because of so bit mini or barcoda. But who's a Kawini Kayo, a big job, said Mamma, no. Sir, I was a Rome, a best idea. A side effect for Fabrel. It's you say, any day. I want for them. So, yeah, 70 no, maybe a moi. All right. Timamen call your friends, Shatawale, Stone Boy, Colabono. Me, Adeba Quanca, me pense, Shatane, Stone Bombayano. What I say, because almost a point to see and talk one in Hobby. And ye train no more, I bet you my youth me who say. I don't know if it or no Santo Quay will not be crowd on to quack wood to hear the Sanka boom. What I say? Until you know bar, a boy in your army, oh, some boys you crown podium. To call Moo Queen, a try. But I don't mean your mind, who's a house a funny crow, or so medical one answer. What's a stone boy so follow stone or be a command, and China the boy, but say very funny, or critique jokes pa. What I say, into your train, Saturday any day, yeah, and you made your better almost studio session, the crown I hear more. Papa, Miss Patricia, oh, for real. Yes, I told him to me, your medium, Haji any day, Unia can baby girl, young couple in your eye, my yemfa 5 minutes be enye zoom call bimra na afi yembon ramu ewo onye ready Emmanuel Abi unim ono no na busuafo nyina ye nkramofo ono nkwa na atuba ena wa be gospel na ehun nsem no enye easy edi
Onyama ye.
Onyama.
Yeah, rum.
Stonebwoy Shatawale.
Okay.
Omu hianyo.
Sir,
there are times in showbiz we hear a rivalry to sustain a certain artist to be an artist to be.
Okay.
Rivalry keeps you going. The moment you match, to some extent, Shatawale an artist branded on rivalry.
Yes.
And to hear almost all the top artists on you being your issue.
Yes.
Started with Samini, Sarkodie Agenedi, Stonebwoy Agenedi. Exactly. Because he thrives on that.
Okay.
The moment Shatta is seen in a different image, Shatta and Asisi, why so peaceful?
Yeah.
He loses that Shatawale bite.
Cool.
Yeah. Stonebwoy is one there. He is a survivor.
Yeah.
He also needs this kind of way, to also thrive.
Okay.
Say, daddy Lumba
Nana Champon.
Ebi anyom kra no mo nto mo ho.
Okay.
Lumba the way aba I wish was a hwani o kire mo hwe ni o kire.
Okay.
Yes, la le champa be reply that the Lumba.
Yes. Na eko.
Ebi kra na mfa ho hwe. But obia they cash in commercially because you need that rivalry to thrive on. Yo Tupac ni Biggie.
Yes.
The worst thing that would have happened to hip hop was Tupac and Biggie to meet, no man shaking hands. Because East Coast and West Coast.
Yeah.
So enyom to anana rivalry ni yehia se ye de be page mu de akosoro se na be ya it sustains you think normally no and ke bia emfa say span in music ne be emfa say bia be 10 years the rivalry no drives you because obia per competition pa.
Okay.
If you see the need for competition, now who's a competitor na Kenya now why you know why ye yamas o ye teacher o school o chairmas on kwa na chairmas o school ni nyina from class 1 to see classes and you join now when there is another option say you betimi akọ be chairmas na afei no on kire on ho bebresa and like on da ho so sanse ye on ho ne o ma ye so clearly I think Shatta and Stonebwoy they don't need a song.
Okay.
Rather
say ya no ye
omo hianyo rather what I think sanke bia e be fa no in this way a event.
Okay.
It could be a nationwide tour.
Okay.
Shatta Bob Bonnyom show Stonebwoy Bob but they come together.
Okay.
It was a company become mobile man not the Oma concert across Ghana. And no be more muska more than the anyom ne krabe.
Okay.
So so they basically they don't need that. Shatta doesn't need any collaboration from Stonebwoy. Say or the chair.
Yeah.
Me I'm also a Shatta Wale fan.
Okay.
He doesn't need it. Stonebwoy so Beam Nation Shatta Wale to drive.
Debbie.
Because at the end of the day, the Oya Shatta fan, Oya ne dang. How can you convince the devil that Jesus is always white?
Hey,
so I don't mean say sana drain that. Still, omobe kabu mabonyom. Why should you create rivalry? Stonebwoy from Meda Shatta one nyom.
True.
And that's how I ask bro.
Yeah.
So the collaboration will be for the purpose of peace.
Across different.
So they need a concept. Omunkashi no pesca. Right. I think that is what will help. Meaning why I crowd there. Onyamba there no problem. Last minute more there so.
Okay.
At the center of it all money.
Sikasemo.
Yeah. Money, the love for money, a breedy greed.
Okay.
Kewa at a point in time wanted to be greedy and cash in.
Okay.
Last minute also saw at a point in time he became greedy and then he also cashed or cash out.
Okay.
The in America is about value and then exploitation. A idea common wa.
Okay.
Ghana has a you better exploit you. Yes, so yeah, dear what you and I'm about where do I add you? Oh no, near no who ya don't no. Oh yeah, donkey job ni na no. Meanwhile, idea ka obet me nya kakra wo ho a. Ka the best of no way. Oh yeah, lawyer or no kunu ho ma me. Obey adwuma ni na you not get anything. The moment you realize your value.
Yeah.
I best start so with one among me. Ni start your body money. No nya ye. No na no. Wait na me na money biani. It is a general thing away home.
Yeah.
In the case of Last Made and Kewa, why would Kewa not sign?
Yes.
Or say verbally there was an agreement. say obe sign on in the bay.
Yes.
But why would they not sign a contract? But rather they will be pushing say on signing after onya hit after hit. And after Friday night, it came after running.
Running, yeah.
It almost running in video more day ban. And I saw issues way popping up. But along the line, now boy and so dragging his feet. One, why would he drag his feet? Now why Friday night, why a big artist?
Yes.
He sees that oil hit war. And to first, no quite draft a contract, no oil evaluation is 20,000.
Yeah.
He sees that now he's around 200,000.
Good.
And then the clause is a shame, no. It needs to change.
Yes.
Because not first, or not, then such a when. See, they won't have a shame. Wait, last minute has been fast.
Yes. Why fast?
And was swerving.
Yes.
But men encourages this. But I'm also saying, say, if you see a talent, now place we value on the talent, cash in, invest. In football, Tessa Madrid, Vinicius Junior.
Yeah.
Vinicius Junior was a talent. Where he made him say, they invested in Vinicius Junior. I mean, sure saying they and Madrid also got Vinicius Junior, bet 200 million. But I found the same for 4-4. Ronaldo, Manchester United, I'm going to find for 4-4. But they sold for higher. You always see the potential. Why don't you want to cash in? And one thing about Ghanaian entrepreneurs are not just those in the music industry. When it backfires, then they come crying foul. Me, what I see here is that last me the Johnny. Because he sees the bigger picture. And the big T.I. Kasembi. And it's also true.
Okay.
Or Kasembi about say maybe the focus will not be on him
alone.
Only about the the hassle our dear my fame if he had signed Moses away, Mamunye say, you know. Then K1 so benya bitterness view. So first or do an anchor the last minute. So he could eventually kill his career.
Yeah. Yes,
exactly. So for the greater good, one the career and then two for money.
Yeah. Okay.
So what must say?
Yeah.
Because Kewa Begin say and the Messiah Yansen to more mobile on your money in our sign.
Yes.
Then last minute or no one sign here, okay, fine. So when you hit now, certain clauses in your contract and trigger.
Yeah.
Oh, I can just let you waste for 1 year. I offload you.
Okay.
I can move on because the producer can always move on.
Yeah.
But the artist, once you take a step back after a hit, it is difficult to come back.
Yeah.
So
just like Yalbeck.
Exactly. So clearly, I think last minute has been smart. And what Johnny?
All right.
And one no.
And ti afi yemra yinim Ghanaian drill ni.
Peace.
Video.
Unim bibi. This started in the course of the week. Nigeria for there was one Joey Akan on Twitter no betro it was Nigeria for no na omaye say so now the Nigerian drill will take a new wave near there.
Yeah.
Then there was a response from the Ghanaian connoisseurs. Almost by no Debbie, why are you not giving credit? Why are you not giving credit? Drill na Kasagana for Yamudia. It is not for you. Whereas Mamo, the origin. Drill is a component of hip hop.
Okay.
A component of hip hop.
Hip hop.
And a trap. Drill and a trap. I saw me your cousins.
Yeah.
Come in, how many call me your twins.
Twins.
And T. Kwekukila don't lie when I say a trap.
Okay.
Akata for boa nunchemku a drill.
Okay,
even
drill.
Asaka for no almost or more drill. Some of their songs are trap. They say in so you did also be family and drill.
Okay.
A trap.
Hey.
Yeah.
It is also your school.
Yeah, Madiachi. A trap.
Only say what to do a bottle.
A trap and a drill.
Hey, the say a drill. I am
be. Kwekukila don't lie when I say that. You know, there has like a trap.
Hey,
the best example of a trap artist. When you ever say trap star, Ghana, Kwekukila.
Okay.
Black Sheriff. Or your trap.
Drill.
On your drill. Or your trap. The best example of a drill artist. As a cowboy is in maybe J Bad.
Yeah.
Or no evoke memories of way. Sao pop smoke here Mokuni.
Okay.
Drill music hard. A rebranding of gangster rap.
Okay.
And no deep beat with kick ways, kicks no a rim. So utie drill drill na nkasan a slang term for a tool.
Hey.
That's why they videos now. Drill music here in preachy.
Oh.
Yemfa dream music and preachy social.
Anya one idea be school say why.
Yemfa dream music, yemfa preachy social cause say and I'm to take that no. Anya drill.
Okay.
I purely gangster. boy we on no ball red bandana no so your friend is on for picture into subion or the picture into so on also rap as a cowboy's name city boy also a typical drill rapper but on only the only leaning more towards a airway trap because he speaks to drugs no about codeine why say campaign
okay Baonim, so bodium,
no problem.
Baby, away dear, fire gone high by pa. Now, Yenya, Imano Abbey, Ewa, Humana so, and see my enemy quatrain come say, Wabusia phone, you now converted to Islam. Now, what me I found who converted to Christianity. Now, I saw about gospel. Hey, pressure will obey me. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Miria, Bibia Boko there. Ah, yes, so you hear pa. Na what's a media? I know it. And pressure no send out see handles our pressure we.
Okay, ni can me pamucho. I'm saying me watch a connection. So
okay,
I feel like me I too. And I'm actually only what it went now.
Okay.
I know them, but. No question say they say the any issue because that was some years back. That was after I completed my secondary school. Now, near my just I saw it beginning there now. I know there, but nyamia dominant pa bunten. You may not papa ni enter me to me say I to say bibia any minimum.
Sompa FM.
Well, my father 10 years in August we now. Or film one, I did 10 years. So,
okay.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Enti, dear me Danny or West, no, or say, I cannot feel. And yeah, and can fail here, the Uncle Bay and Sempio. Can you know what some crash?
Okay, I'm say, the problem is and you to a professional. Worker me.
Okay.
Train banker. Yes, so me a banking professional.
Oh, okay.
Because me here more not like I want cry.
Okay.
Now,
okay.
Me joining Christus man as me be Christus you know me joining kwakakra. Yeah, no na matron ma be see and now I'm somewhere last year during COVID no. And I'm a friend me only this and and think commodity man say everyone think me friend me no to I think let's assume that the party are celebrating.
Okay.
I think I mean, I don't know. After the call ended, then I made this one. But what I'm saying, no, but I mean, so if I decide to, you know, maybe create a new mama, but to me, so within 30 minutes, I'm throw a new complete one on Mother's Day. I say Saturday the Minyan and release it. So I realized I have to write a song. The first song I wrote, Minyan Troy.
Oh, okay.
I went on to write several songs. I make a saying about 80 songs. I'm mature. My release was 7.
Oh, nice.
I cannot feel any the latest one. My release. Now I cannot feel. I'm say speech be I'm a comma graduating students as a more bachelor BC.
Okay.
So it was an encouragement. I delve into my archives and say, with this particular motivational song, and to let me use it to develop some songs to motivate maybe, or be our quite my interview, or be our all better exams, and I challenge the or when you are or 2 years. Say, a better now what you need.
Yeah, I cannot feel
to do that challenge.
Yeah. A very interesting part. And you know about Bonty one.
Never tell you, we released in the last 2 weeks in release here.
Okay.
There were 110, all digital platforms, so and YouTube also the video is there.
Okay. Yam reading to Beja Moako, a dinner o catch a TF4 near for Islam for womo about Christianity, womo and yum sem linked to Islam. Because me my age more Islamic station for the past 10 years. And minim Islam for ni enyum asem. And bear 1 minute can be kakra found na yenjao.
Okay, I'm saying you're making me a can't find one and say we said me said me kind me if I mainly the only Christian or my family.
Yeah.
Beyond our religion, we are one. Irrespective of me, sorry. Even my younger brothers are say be omunya Christian for say.
Yeah.
The time for prayer song in Islam. Na say omunkoya. I could, school them. Say
omunko. Okay.
I believe so. Be a baby.
Didi. Ewo.
What I saw in Christianity and the Bible, they also see this in the Islam. And to encourage maybe those who may want to take me part from Sompa FM. The GDS obey Okrane Wikipedia, one did the other soon young Copana, Jesus Christ a cheer, and yet Totrotosa, but the original painting, our empire, Banner Empire bar. At the end of the day, you go through and with success, just like happened to me, ma.
Okay.
And see, easy, but saying I may now bomb fire. At the end of the day, also get me a dinkonim, said them.
All right, so bet you any pam you know me as Sabi.
Medical chair, when you team or no, it's a rare opportunity. Yeah, starting you say no. Sometimes you hardly get some of these opportunities.
Yeah.
In another master, some TV, some FM opportunity. Yeah, mother, I'm a me any motive when you know. Me so much here. My brother, Mammy Amina.
Okay. You better say only at your come and see the SU can say a more bamumu. What's a record? We are saying you do Guinness Book of Record, but we have heard the bit by our phone. Yankopon count no shroud. Why are they? Yami shroud. All right, and see Emmanuel Abbey and out in Canon. Obi and Abusian Fujina, Obia Islam, on Unquaba Christian was have a bonium. Na minimum on the side, need the air and the cancer, but Uko Rafia be more, baby. I mean, minimum, or lahi. Oh, Murphy. Yeah.
I'm not demonstrating absolute religious tolerance.
Yes.
Say, oh, yeah, Cremoni, Jao, Koto, Yaminum, not Nefi, wow,
Uniano times is Omunko, yeah, sorry, I was with me on the Charlie Thomas Munko, yeah, sorry.
Comes from
a serious
very great family. And the Bussian also me.
On the trap, we mean so many trappers. I said, in church, you never may.
Boy, a trap, I love my drill.
Tell him Mumbai Mike, Why? Mumbai Mike, So, Sana move follow. It's the end twasso.
So basically, trap and the fan say a less hardcore version of drill.
Okay.
And a trap and so a more melodious than drill.
Okay.
Drill at times maybe a rap in the crowd until the mocha. I hope you get it.
Yeah.
But I'm not here to do the differentiation between trap and drill.
Okay.
But focusing on drill. So Chicago drill nearby.
Yeah.
Na Chief Keef Munina be love so sa nya domo ye omo then it got to the stage where a bejintini.
Okay.
Now once that when music becomes a trend, then it travels. To say the Navara say I'm a piano from South Africa.
From South Africa.
I migrate here from South Africa to here, Nigeria. Now it is a continental wave.
Yeah.
A sweeping across.
Yeah.
Sana drill ne so be.
Okay.
So from Chicago and it's spread across the US. So almost every young hip hop artist be a person hardcore no or gangster rap no.
Okay.
Then we're transitioning from just simply rapping to doing drill music.
Yeah.
Because people loved the kicks anyway and then it's a beat, the anything beat anyway.
Yeah.
Until now amount for follow. Then a travel from the US to the UK.
Okay.
Into a UK drill. And then storms the movie be or this guy 2C no me na be. Then from there no and I travel by even in Africa the Ghana drill is not the pioneer and yet the originators of drill.
Africa had the NIA no.
Debbie.
When
Drill started way back in Kenya, by 2012. Go and search this name, Matari Vikings.
Hey, Kenya.
Yeah, Matari Vikings.
Wow.
If you are looking for the Kenyan act or Mama Drill at Travel Pan, your guys were from Brooklyn Boys.
Okay. Oh, Kenya.
Yeah, Kenya.
Wow.
They had this popular song known as Nairobi.
But they be
before Nairobi. No, typically I'm just a music guy.
Okay. Okay.
Even before Nairobi, they were doing songs way back 2019. Check Asaka Boys. Condemn came when? It was 2 years ago.
Okay.
So they me say me cut 2015 what the end cry. 2019.
Yeah.
As a Cowboys, J-Bad condemned about saying, "Yeah, be sorry about saying."
Yeah.
It was in the year 2021 or young fan say the 2020.
Yeah.
Then
2021.
A best soldier.
Yeah.
So by the time it gained nationwide attention, it was somewhere circa 2022.
Yeah.
Then 2022 it traveled outside as well.
Yeah.
They only got the recognition from the Grammys in 2023.
Yeah.
And the Imam Ghana drill.
Yeah.
So luckily for you, you've been given that particular recognition.
Yeah.
One, Nigeria befa Ghana nyom recognition no.
Yes.
You need the times of old. Then no na fella ba. Fella tapped into any FFNF.
Yes.
Fella to FFNF.
And the beauty of a woman.
Yeah, ono ne oto no FFNF enti na so ba true mika so ne nufu anya se betia to ntra. Na omo di na mato betia to. You can go and
okay.
Fella kuti FFNF.
Yes.
Then it became a wave, and the TikTok ne 2022 la kwaya sa anyom no, because it was a collaboration. It was popular in Nigeria because of Fela,
yes.
And then it was a popular Ghanaian song here.
Yeah.
So Nigeria Ghana fuses to recollect the memories of Fela Kuti. And if TikTok was for Nigeria, okay.
Okay.
So Nigeria will not give you recognition now because you are competing.
Yes.
The only thing you need now is to thrive on the Nigerian platform, collaborate and shoot.
Hey,
because we had VIP becoming popular in Nigeria.
Yes.
Because of collaboration.
Yeah.
Ain't na even in the Rema Beye do maybe it has a semblance of VIP. Do maybe.
Okay.
They draw inspiration. A musical.
No,
Then I tap inspiration from a foreign song.
Okay.
Ain't na police war. Every step you take, pop that the Bayer Notorious B.I.J. No, every step I take. But it was police who did it in the 80s.
Yeah.
Music, sana nyom tio. University, nobody does that.
Okay.
Sa as though I go na mencha there. Jennifer Lopez say I'm still Jenny from the Black. And the same beat. What social media.
Wow.
Now where's it?
Wow. And for you. As a reward do for you. Yeah.
Drill music is not for you. You are not the originators and you are not the pioneers on the continent. You have popularized it.
Okay.
Dear, you're popular and just say and I they buy.
Okay.
What you guys need to do is to hook up with these Nigerian producers and Nigerian music marketers.
To blow.
Then tap into the Nigerian market.
Good.
That is what you need.
Go more population.
No. I'm coming over Naira Mali or something.
Yeah, Naira Mali.
Or a talented say Aquano or two Atajwa.
Debbie.
And now when you are sabe in Semunu no Moka.
Yes.
But Naira Mali a hit. Atajwa was fade off.
Yeah.
Because the system here and you're supportive enough. You can't thrive without money.
Yeah.
Because money will take you elsewhere.
Yeah.
The Nigerian market, because of homo population, TI did a very good analysis
on that. Yeah.
So, we need their numbers because a numbers driven market.
Yeah.
If I get 1 million streams, I make more money.
Yeah.
We need their numbers. Oh yeah, definitely. Any omo kwaya bante, any omo kwakunto kwa. Mon kambom na munye di mama na munja di amoya no fees.
That's it. Asari boedu oh me pe clap effect na ba. Now this time my table bones mama na oya de dodo. All right. Mrantie mo want to say. Eh, mundi go beda na. Mon be mic no na oye. Ba me no sha se o din the saying. Also, stage name so Zaga Boy. Wow. Many are also
Danger Boy.
Hey, Zaga Boy, Danger Boy. Also remember Chemi say BB boy. Also
from Kwame
Snap.
Yeah.
Hey, when the Zaga Boy, Danger Boy, Kwame Snap.
Yeah.
Moye style of music bang.
Afrobeat ne dancer.
Oh, nice one. Nice. I'm the moon called drill ne nibi ana mutimi de shame enti mo ma me freestyle kakra ansana ya keka ne magum zaga boy yen hyaase ma me feel bibi ana me dropping mental mama ana yanko
na no me shia kala bu odan wo sine mo mi asmani into kwamba me yes at this stand here me mane mpa me hu into oba na me mana kwaba say again no kontitwi blofo na oka and the Joe boy aika say more of him me ya to acho obe dey me fast na me the number hello yeah blossom
hi so say hello
ti ofu ni minti so ya me den oka say how are you me gina o hwe wiem din how are you so ne yabo aben yo ebe yide papa today mu fa me kwasere papa chef fresh girl ni wonti twa kama ha mo won gina o bitwa na ko paga yeah wo na me share papa ji boy bra
me dey o ye da me ma mental ai ma papa mental we come me why ai yanko aha yanko zaga boy in the building yanko aha go yeah and a danger abeko yanko yeah hey yo Charlie faka crashes sumame
I don't want this street me chase me dream hard work money yen fun shit frame dreams to the mountain every day jump me the boys be your balling do you me threatening the mountain is up give my salary hard work money boy you keep you a gallery no bragging so when you finally do me pen the bomb
kakra we kra ma mu say moya more but mu group no your friend was saying I think some more into a group right Great Empire but any more bomb homoding someone say me more tracks be we had there and you corner track by track but more rapid hood bang Bantama Aswase offiso Bantama Aswase offiso and Alabadi wow me say sabri de baby I hot ye corner enyom no baako it's here the way shas here what I say
Sompa extra
Great Empire
Sompa extra
them like a ranger. Me no spare them and me a the real danger. Me 4-7 times say me wake up 8 na the bad time. Say me never gonna lose faith. Me 4-7 times say me wake up 8 na the bad time. Say me never gonna lose.
Yeah.
We born to win. We no coming a life and we lose. We born to win. We no coming a life and we lose. We born to win.
Yo.
We no coming a life and we lose. We born to win.
Let's go.
We no coming a life and we lose.
Yay.
Go. Ha. Frizzy. Do that.
Hey.
Susan. Go. Sa.
Yay.
Sa.
Great. Yay. Hey.
Sa.
We no coming a life and we lose.
Yay.
We born to win.
We call them Great Empire.
We no coming a life and we lose.
Born to win.
Yo.
Wow. Enti, se si ana ma ye nyum sa no. Wow. My idea. Sesia no makeka bom sano. All right. Yeah, my men drop you away.
Sompa extra. Representing you can refuse it. Becoming like a flame of fire.
1-5.
Danger boy. It's a dancer hip hop track. They can't stop this now.
Sompa
extra. Who them? Them a talk money competition, them not bad. Brag them a brag when me stop na the place all of them a deep bad. Come make we fun now, come make we flop now. Man heart na soft now, me talk and go. Inna the danger zone, the guy die never leave I alone. And inna the bank when I take no land, any man go try we break him bone. We move na forward, we no move na reverse. Them can block we, them can stop we. No way, no. A movement, then we aiming high, we pray for the money. Gang, we know it's time for the Monday. A movement, gang, we aiming high, we pray for the Monday. Movement, gang, we know it's time for the Monday. Yeah, same way. Hey. A movement, gang, we aiming high, we pray for the Monday. Movement, gang, we know it's time for the Monday. Saka boy, I represent to get a pioneer. Just so, yeah.
Run that up, Rico.
Go. Street like your high last stop. Never did you put on your one thought. By the video, I can see code, the Akia Subali like up. By say call, by some family the pot. By the video, 247 over there, come on, I don't stop. Then so boy, do the can cry a pamwa. First time we present, now we young for you, but we demo fadwa.
Hey, what's more boys, we more than
they rap on this through rap and more 24 kilo young punishment. We can rap up, but I was the line of my process.
Then I'll can.
Boys, I'm moving up with the pot. Boys, never you need to force a woman, young come down.
Yanko.
I represent to get a pioneer.
Sompa extra.
Just so, yeah.
Sompa extra.
Go. Street like your high last stop. Never did you put on your one thought. By the video, I can see code, the Akia Subali like up. By say call, by some family the pot. By the video, 247 over there, come on, I don't stop. Then so boy, do the can cry a pamwa. First time we present, now we young for you, but we demo fadwa. When we get you, come to a big guy in the middle. So them you the rap and to the share rap the board, 24 to the young coffee. Drop in the body pine to the new can walk up and once in the young hand, transfer glasses and every sign time rap and young come against young with sign that's right. Get empire, take a run near the any attire. First I'm going to the one more consent for young come share, well go fire. A movement, then we aiming high, we pray for the money. Gang, we know it's time for the Monday. Gang, we aiming high, we pray for the Monday. Gang, we know it's time for the Monday. Gang, same way. I move them, gang, we aiming high, we pray for the Monday. Gang, we know it's time for the Monday.
Some of y'all word.
Snap ball.
Don't waste time for the money. Don't mistake. When you be as when your face and a fresh air time, you cannot point. When you do, never can be a medal. So why didn't go on a barber closet? But you won't guess, net up with test. Don't have boost me to flavors. Everybody come and come and move from. So only business to be able to go. When you do, jam and call it. 1.5 now, men pick it. They balance them now, so call it. Guess never to know your quarry. When you do, jam and make. Or can I say, yeah,
movement, then we aiming high, we pray for the man.
Guys, we too much. What I say? Only more for social media handles no and to board the mine. I feel baby, I know be baby so be no more fan to board the mine. Be Mike, no.
Instagram now, board Great Empire, the Kings.
Okay. Instagram, Great Empire, the Kings. Okay.
And the same thing apply to Twitter.
Okay.
And our Facebook and so.
Okay.
Board Great Empire.
Great Empire, the Kings.
Through Great Empire, we grana board the Kings never.
Okay. And I know so him fana obi pebia obenyano.
All streaming platforms will be Spotify, Audiomack, other YouTube near that.
All right. It's when the boamo because the muye they are no deal. Mike, when no they drop is a drill and I
address more about promiscuity. Okay. One is car girl no many way. Where's the boys are away?
Okay, it's only a drill.
Gun and our way.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically, we're not leaning more towards trap.
Okay. Trap.
More of trap.
Okay.
Even the first way comedy aircraft.
Okay.
We know MMA vibes of way. This US rapper, yes, a young drug will be where Soldier Boy.
Okay.
Where vibes
Soldier Boy.
Soldier Boy. Where's the kind of Stone Boy?
Okay.
Our Stone Boy attitude.
Attitude, no. Nice one.
Our Stone Boy attitude. Where Soldier Boy?
Yeah.
What the cocoa has to. The way I see TN, the way I see dress cries.
Just like Soldier Boy.
Now, when you need to pay or buy you a drink in your anything.
Mekaipo.
Young Jock.
Okay.
Mama say Young Jock.
All right. Nice one. Now then I'll catch on.
I think they are talented.
Okay.
There's still more you can do.
Yeah.
So, me out there with some few community vibes.
Yeah.
Boys who know more fans are.
Wow.
There's a lot that you can do. One, focus. Obera studio. Time I rap on me when I was there.
Okay, yeah.
Nobody distracts you on stage. You're a craftsman.
Yes.
Obiano distract you. I hope you get it. Focus. You need it. You also need to like lift it up.
Yeah.
Punches anyway, manendo also.
Yeah.
You get it. Word play. Where there no Omame that Stoneboy vibes. He has it in him.
Okay.
He can still channel his inner Stoneboy to go higher.
Yeah, okay.
Soldier Boy soon at here. When in terms of attitude, where there no was Chopin. Odini there.
Kwame
Snap. Yeah.
In terms of attitude, only the end was Chopin. Tamor rap who they all knows they are trying to rap. That's what or bomb pie or ya low papa. That's what is necessary.
Okay.
Sa look kitu ebi no
no.
Antes kitu no. So in how attitude now be the way na ba way.
Okay.
Rap solid.
Yeah.
Dance or singing solid.
Yeah.
As a group, money as a Captain Planet.
No.
Combine your powers and do something greater.
All right. Ti Beka Bibi.
Oh, say ninyina na senior kano. I think say you support you more. Be our talent.
All right.
Be our talent or no team say anodding. Anodding pines in pioneer, but so we do with your person.
Okay. Ricardo Varas. Then I'll catch
Mr. Board work Trinity.
Okay.
My utrim out there area out near my
fans in tea.
Obekawa. But be our war and is wedding who's over so drew.
Yeah.
And so drew through her. The Omayan Wahay, Omonia.
Okay.
So drew so the wine were on your head because all mom do in your mind zombie game. Just so put in extra effort.
Yeah.
And then what's my drew through and Dianica Crebe catch.
All right. Me that say your birthdays be I was say but mon fam number no and to dwa emma me na fe obi pese o invite me o show and say obi pese oboa mo kra no a 0599 34 0193. Okay. All right. Ma menko tia ho mesa ba mo che your birthday be I was say quickly because some microphone no mo hwe pa. Eti tia first one here hwan?
First one is Linda Aduchumwa.
Linda Aduchumwa.
We are now full joint to go from CPC police station.
Okay, mo fan into so my na.
Yeah.
Inspire no.
Sada oni Sada na opposite.
Wow, oni.
Yes.
Hey.
Oni Sada na opposite. Nyame bo na any birthday. Linda Aduchumwa.
Training joint ni na ye beto afa.
From police station.
Okay.
CPC police station no.
All right.
Oni Sada na opposite.
Okay.
Linda Aduchumwa there will be a winning media.
Yes.
Like when it openipa or tin manipa inti yesre nyankopon se na koma so ade bia ode ato nyame anim no yesre se obeya ama no
happy birthday
who deserve bibia Linda Aduchumwa
happy birthday
me bo chena
happy birthday and I say brown sre hwe wani
say no a fine lady
brown there
brown ni je ho ha no brown.
All right, you got the next one
the next one so yeah Abrante be a friend Steven Owusu Enra
yo
birthday. Ono so or shop or KJT to Roman Hill. Sa joint no so ho na find for Roman Hill no.
Okay.
O ton so hairstyle dressing there.
Eh, o ka do ton dey obetu aska o.
Oh. Enti ni boutique no okọ kwan so fa ne man ba.
Okay.
Yankopon so Ishra no.
Ishra no. So happy birthday my brother. Happy birthday. Mike.
A friend and a brother was Takra. They were showing in the bar. Okay. Picture no. Neba small boy.
Okay.
Class and Kobe ebi wo fie yenzu kwanza.
Hey, class in Kobe ebi wo fie yenzu kwanza.
Ensem na ye kan wa ha no.
Yeah.
Say we na obeka bibia no repeat. I feel no so yakasa.
Kasa okay.
TV na.
The obeka bibia no repeat. All right.
I send me voice in the so.
Okay. All right.
Please.
All right. I'm ready to.
My memory.
Yeah, fancy I wish.
Apia Clifford, happy birthday.
Okay.
Amusted Campus, Kumasi.
Okay.
Accounting department.
On that that's
Oh,
nice.
Apia Clifford. Nice. Happy birthday, Ketspam.
Last week, what do you show, baby?
I said last week, yeah, Oba, Beman to be balanced. Now, come on. Apia Clifford birthday.
Yo, 1 minute. Brown. Trahana na fire corner. Yeah. Ti. Chia do for me. Why will birthday in Chia do for me? News for neighbor.
Mr. Ebenezer say. Ono so tested me say no hey. Eno be hey bia.
All right.
Now Ochina Linda no odi ne birthday.
Oh wow.
Inti yes say obia wo around.
Yes.
Around
you are got energy.
Ha brand no birthday.
Okay, Brown.
Janwa. Na bobo mi di o na.
Eh na say oh yeah say.
On chepas. Mama nua ba nso akosua wini owonzema.
Okay.
Akosua wini owonzema. China birthday, Monday and birthday.
Okay.
In advance. Sounds na honorable abanga.
Okay.
Honorable abanga be picking the form Thursday coming.
Okay.
Of standing as MP uko enche bansu jema same crew area mo na. Thursday no back picking the forms.
Okay.
Yes, rado for ne namfofo ni na se muni na chi. Na mo fa MP ni ma no nya ne ma okrumo.
Ye pe ne ma pa. Onu so de matene nkai so.
Oh, na bo abanga de. O so pe wa sempa.
Miss me ya da no. Ye be pe da ne akosra no.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this year we did the Michael Donko with me and famous Skulfees the Gunners. My Maureen fi say a great empire. We follow more Instagram, Twitter, ne Facebook baby or more. And this year news for no was for no denuncia. As you born out. Guys, we me serious. No and I really chat. That's the next we say share. Ya go for show ya.
Them a talk money competition.